As I told you, the writer gives clues to us that how can we guess the meaning of the word he or she has asked us. And there are six different types of clues, and we are going to see that how these clues help the reader to make a guess of the meaning of the word. The first one is root word and affix. Prefixes, suffixes, and roots of words are sometimes helpful to understand the meaning. People who study birds are experts in ornithology. You must understand that the word ending with gy, they are names of subjects. So ornithology is the subject in which people study birds. So this is so clear with this sentence. If you there are sometimes the writer is given you contrasting meanings, the opposite meanings of the words he has mentioned, so that the reader can guess the uh, meaning of the word easily. Sometimes a word or phrase is clarified by the presentation of the opposite meaning somewhere close to its use. Unlike mammals, birds incubate their eggs outside their body. The writer has used the word unlike. It means that mammals are those animals which have their babies inside their bodies, not in the eggs. Okay, by logic also the writer tells us sometimes that what can be the meaning of the word which is highlighted or asked the meaning of. The meaning of an unfamiliar word can be guessed from the description of a situation. Birds are always on the lookout for predators that might harm their young. Now it is obvious in the sentence that something which is harming their young ones must be an animal eater or someone who is after them. So you can easily guess the meaning of the word predator, the one who attacks on the animals. Excuse me. By definition also, sometimes the definition is also present in the text, so we can guess easily the meaning of the word. Sometimes the words or phrase meaning is explained immediately after its use. Frugivorous birds prefer eating fruit to any other kind of food. It means it's very obvious that these are those birds which are fruit eaters. By example or illustration, also the writer explains, sometimes a hard word or phrase is said in a simple way. Some birds like to build their nest in inconspicuous spots. What are these spots? High up in the top of trees, well hidden by leaves. So these are must be some spots which are not easily seen by other people. So it is very obvious. Sometimes the grammatical structure of a sentence or a phrase explains its meaning. Many birds migrate twice each year. So it explains the meaning of the word migrate, that this is the movement of the bird which way when they don't have the physical conditions suiting to them, so they leave that area and go to some other area, and that is called migration. The science students know it very well. Okay, so it's not necessary that always you have clues in the text to guess the meaning of the words when you are writing contextual words, but many times if you look at it, and it's not necessary that they are always in the same sentence, they are in a sentence before or after also, you can guess the meaning easily. But even if the clues are not provided, by reading the text again and again and understanding the theme of the passage you are reading, you can easily guess the meaning of the word which is asked. Okay, so when you read the passage, we when you read the passage, you have to mark the difficult words which I have given in the assignment, and first you have to guess the meaning according to the context, and then match them with the dictionary meanings and see that how correct you are. I hope you will practice this, and I expect the feedback from you people also. In any way, you people have to send us the feedback. Those who have my email address, they can send me their answers or their queries if they have any. Okay, Allah Hafiz.